And today's problem is squeaky brakes. I'm sure everybody has had the same problem before, just driving along, especially if you've had new brake discs and pads and you can't figure out why they're squeaking. Well, we have the same problem on the Jag, and it is a simple problem that takes a bit of faffing around, but not too difficult. Basically all it is the disc rubbing on the brand new brake, and when you put the new pads in the caliper, the piston has to be fully pushed back in order for the new pads to go in, and there's not a lot of room between the new pads and the disc. So what happens is these little pistons there, they get a lot of crap in them and they stick, and they don't allow the brake pads to release from the disc. So you get, now I've done all these and you can just see it's hard to see, but there is a very minute gap there. So the easiest way is just whip your brakes out, take your caliper off, take your caliper holder out, and then take the little pistons out, get a bit of clean them off, get a bit of grease in there, and I also always just clean these out down here and put a bit of copper grease down there, so it allows the brake pad to move in and out rather than just sticking onto the new disc. Not totally impressed with these new discs, they're only about 6 weeks old, and so are the pads. I'm already getting some sort of markings on them, so I suppose you get what you pay for. But that's one of the reasons why I get squeaky brakes. It's just, especially after new ones, I mean they also get sometimes grit and dirt caught between the pad and the disc, but more often than not it's usually after you've had new brakes, and it's just because the brakes basically are just rubbing on your disc and causing squeaking. But yeah, if that helps anybody, I'll be a happy person.